In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory in Intuit Quickbooks Online, a simple task that shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Managing your inventory effectively is crucial for keeping your business running smoothly, and QuickBooks makes this process intuitive and straightforward. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already on the sign-in page, you can navigate there by opening your web browser and entering the QuickBooks Online website address. Once you're on the page, you'll see the familiar sign-in button. Give that a click. Next, ensure you select QuickBooks Online from any options that might appear. This is important as there are various QuickBooks products and we're focusing specifically on the online version today. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll need to enter your credentials. This means typing in your email or user ID followed by your secure password. If you've entered your information correctly, you can click the Continue button to proceed. QuickBooks will then direct you to the home page where all the magic happens. Now that you're on the home page, look for the New button, usually found towards the top or in the main navigation bar. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu filled with different options. Our focus today is on inventory, so you'll want to ensure you're heading in the right direction with your clicks. Once the drop-down has appeared, navigate towards Other, and from there select Inventory Quantity Adjustment. Clicking this option will take you to the correct section for making the necessary changes to your inventory. At this stage, you're all set to begin your inventory adjustment. The first thing you want to do is add the product you need to adjust. You should see a list or field where you can start typing the product name. As you begin typing, QuickBooks may offer suggestions based on what is already in your inventory list. Once you spot the correct product, click on it to select it. After choosing the product, it's time to enter the quantity adjustment. You'll find a field where you can type in how much you need to adjust the quantity by. This could be an increase or a decrease depending on your current inventory needs. Double check that you've entered the correct figures, as accuracy in this step is crucial. Finally, once you're satisfied with your entries and everything looks in order, it's time to finalize your adjustment. Look for the Save and Close button to record your changes. With a click, your inventory levels are updated and you're all set to return to managing your business with updated insights. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully adjusted your inventory in QuickBooks Online. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident managing your business's inventory in the future. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.